Today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over tonight. Tonight we're going to be doing some light reading, of course, so let's dive right in. So this is how we would use the import command. We're going to import the Mox wallet import Anvil1. Like I said, this is the my account. This is just what we named it. Note, Anvil1 is a random name that we decided to use for our account, and any name can be used here, like I just said. Now, after entering this command, we'll be prompted to enter our private key and a password. The password is used to encrypt the private key. This is what we will see in the terminal. It would say running wallet command. We would say input in private key, and then we would see enter your private key. Note, we can use a private key from the Envo1 terminal like we've been doing. Also note, the private key field will remain blank as we type for security reasons. So as we enter the private key in, it won't show up how long it is or what characters are being entered. It'll just remain blank for security. Now, basically, after we have entered our private key, we'll be prompted to enter a password. Now we will see running wallet command, input in private key, enter your private key, enter a password to encrypt the private key. The password can be anything we want. We'll make sure it's something. Let me move down a little bit. Making sure something secure that we'll remember. And next we'll be prompted to confirm the password. Move down a little bit more. So we will see running wallet command, importing private key, enter your private key, enter a password to encrypt the private key, and then confirm your password. So I'm gonna leave it right there for now. Like I said, we're just gonna go over the whole process step by step, make sure everything is gonna be understood as we move forward. So just stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.